The ones which are dry shows that they are not getting water properly. So once you water it properly, it just becomes normal. And then there is a spider plant. Whenever you notice yellowing of leaves, just remove it instantly. So once you start clearing up all these yellow and dried leaves, it becomes normal. You don't have much insects in this. I think maybe ants will do. For that you can use ant repellent or just use turmeric for that. This one is another variety of spider plant which I have kept it in water. So it grows well both in water and soil. The next one is baby sunrose. I just planted it so small, I used small cuttings, and now as you can see it is so lengthy now, and the leaves are also very big and glossy. This aloe vera was once an indoor plant. It was very small, now it's grown, so I just moved it outside. And these are cactus varieties. These were very small. I didn't even guess that it would just grow so well. Especially the small one, I didn't know that it would even survive. And this one, it remained as a cutting for nearly more than a month without roots, and once I changed the soil it just started growing properly. And in this elephant planter I've kept oregano. It's growing well. So talking about the soil is quite loose and it is clay soil. I haven't used red soil or any cocoa pit into it. As videos.